fight out of the ring. Oh my goodness! Where is this fight going? This one is now completely out of control. It's now just a plain old street fight. Welcome to WCW Backstage Assault. These performers are giving everyone their money's worth tonight.
I could go on and on and on and on and talk about how incredible this match is. But in truth, I'd rather talk about me, the Brain.
Backbreaker! What an incredible move by Stevie Ray. Headbutt to the midsection. This is getting completely out of control.
That shot really knocked the wind out of him. Wow.
Choke slam. Devastating impact by Heavy D. Low blow. Fans, this has been an epic battle.
The only place you'll find such incredible action like this is in WCW.
Spinning back fist. Super kick. Oh, that move had to hurt. Foul play. Great move by Norman Smiley. He's not giving his opponent any chance.
A clear mismatch so far. Let's hope this match gets better.
Leave that alone. This isn't a riot.
He nailed him like a wrecking ball.
In all my years of wrestling, I have never seen a beating like that.
You know, that's what I do, Shivani, if you push me too far. I'd knock you out.
These two don't need a ring to settle this. Just let them go at it. Oops, there goes that. What's next? These two performers do not know the meaning of the word quit.
This kind of action is what makes WCW so great.
That one caught him off guard. Perfect execution. That move could secure a victory.
You know, there's a lot of danger trying moves like that, but if you can do it, you can win a lot of matches.
Amazing move by Jimmy Hart. This wrestler is absolutely on fire.
The rate this is going, we'll be done with this match at any time. Check your watch.